This is a quick overview of the data offered by the VVB single-axis series, mounting tips, and selecting a VVB by application. You will see here that each VVB provides I/O link data for these 5 categories: impact measured with a-peak, fatigue measured with v-RMS, friction measured with a-RMS, severity measured with crest factor, and temperature. Typically, we recommend mounting sensors radially to shaft rotation to detect the greatest level of movement and located mechanically as close as possible to the target. Here are a handful of fan, pump, and motor examples, which follow this recommendation for review. Scroll back up to the top of the page, and on the key on the left, click on Select Products. To further simplify the selection process, you can use the single-axis VVB chart to choose the best fit for your machine. Take note, each one of these options is the same hardware. The differences between each are simple modifications of the parameter filters to better fit the specific machine type. Once connected with an I/O Link master, this data can be sent to a PLC, viewed in Moneo Configure, or it can be brought back to an IoT solution such as Moneo On-Prem or Moneo Cloud. Recording of this data allows you to create a trend graph, which correlates to your machine cycle. Over time, this data allows you to better understand your machine and allows you to make informed calls before a major failure. With all this information, you have a great base for your first or next step into vibration monitoring. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.